100-acre wood, Winnie the Pooh and his friends learn something new every day. Today, a rain cloud seems to be following Tigger around. In the 100-acre wood, Winnie the Pooh and his friends have fun at playtime each and every day. Today, Christopher Robin got called away for lunch and left Pooh and Tigger to play with his train set. Tigger would like to play with the train first, but so would Pooh Bear, and there's only one conductor's hat. Learn something new and his friends have fun at playtime each.
The Hahoos. Ahoo!